Good morning, students. Now the time is for English time. The aim is to recognize the letter T, its sound, familiar words that begins with it and form the letter. So students, today we will learn a very interesting story. The name of story is Toby and the Tap. What's the name of story? Toby and the Tap. Let's start the story. It is summer. Toby Tiger comes home after playing. Toby Tiger comes home after playing. He is thirsty.